You've picked the dates, you've bought the tickets, and you've got your passport. Ready to go, right? Well, not so fast. Take a good look at that passport photo. Airlines can refuse to let you on the plane if you don't look like the picture, or if your passport is going to expire within a few months of your trip. The country you're visiting will have specific rules about passport expiry dates. For example, France expects your passport to be valid for 3 months after your visit. China has a 6-month expiry rule. Remember, all children need passports too, even newborns. If a passport needs updating quickly, you can go to a passport office in person to get an expedited one. Just know it'll cost you. Once you've got that passport in hand, make a photocopy to keep with you on your travels. If by some chance your passport is damaged, lost, or stolen while you're away, you'll need to get it replaced. It's a good idea to know exactly where you need to go before you leave Canada. Just head to cic.gc.ca to get all the details. Stephanie Skenderis, CBC News, Regina.